Hello.
Not at all.
Okay. Hello.
Hello, how many awards? Hold them up. 4. Congratulations, this
Thank
weekend
you.
has been so whirlwind. You had your release party on Friday.
Yes, we did.
Debut album release.
I know.
It's quite crazy. So
It is.
Tonight will you party?
We're going to party.
Party hard.
Sunday.
Party.
Sunday.
We're such losers.
Hey, but this has been a big week and tonight's a big night. How do you relax? Like, what will you do over the next week to sort of decompress?
Drink lots of tea.
Hang out with the girls.
Early nights.
Is it quite nice being in a bed?
Hey, John.
Hello.
Hello, John.
What do you want to say to your band members
Aw.
and your co-writers?
Oh, thank you guys. Josh, producer, greatest producer in the world. These guys are the best to work with ever, and they're my best friends, so it's lovely. It doesn't feel like work most of the time, which is great. We've got a great team, great managers, Poppy and Paul over there. It's just a great time. Yeah, I'm happy we could do this right now.
I know, it's so surreal because you've got so many fans overseas. Is everyone sort of saying you're lucky?
Oh yeah. Well, everyone wants to move here. I'm like, yeah, right. New Zealand's the best. It is.
You did some really cool collaborations on the new album. Have you got any people you'd want to collaborate in this room or in this venue, like any New Zealanders?
Oh, there are lots of New Zealanders I'd love to collaborate with. All of them. Too many. Yeah. Definitely.
Is there one particular award that you're super stoked on?
Oh, I think all of them, to be honest. I would have been happy to walk away with anything, to be honest. But yeah, it's crazy.
Any final words for your fans?
Thank you guys for listening to my music and following this bloody thing. It's crazy.